guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we will show you how to remove the rear seat, the bottom seat. You may need to remove the rear bottom seat guys if you need to replace the fuel pump, if you need to get it out to clean it, so stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including that Chevy Cruze guys. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here at the shop and all the information we provide to you. If you guys need to buy any parts or any tools for your car, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. You can get parts for a super good price, so check it out. Now let's go ahead and start on it. So this is guys the rear seat right here, and how we guys remove it. Now there is like two clips, one here, one kind of like right there. So how we remove it. Now let me pass the camera, okay, so we can see the action. But okay, right here now you need to grab guys with two hands and pull straight up. It may take a little bit of force, okay, but the seat popped out. Same thing to this side, okay, but this one came loose already. So let's guys focus on the whole seat now. So let's come out a little bit, okay, perfect. Now we need to feed the seat belts through there guys. Okay, seat belts are through there, and now let me see what else we'll be holding here now. So now you guys have two clips, one on this side, one on the other side, the same way. You need to grab the seat and slide it in, then pull up, okay, it comes out. Now I'll do the same thing. Okay, let's come out a little bit with the camera so I can show you. I'll do the same thing on this side. Push in, pull out, feed the seat belts out. Careful with the side airbags there. And here we go guys. Now one of the clips, okay, for the seat did break, so if you need to replace it with a new one, we'll have the link on the in the description of the video guys, where you can purchase one from. But you can see we got the seat out. Those things are incredibly tight now guys. So that's how you guys remove the rear seat on a Chevy Cruze. If you need to do the top half of the seat, we'll explain how to do that as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.